Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has made it clear that the lockdown phase of the pandemic is over in Jamaica. Mr. Holness insists Jamaicans will now have to take responsibility for their own health going forward, and they must do so by getting vaccinated. Janela Presu supports.
In a matter of days, the current COVID-19 containment measures will come to an end. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is expected to address the nation either on or before the January 14 expiration date. At a time when coronavirus cases have reached record highs, there is much anticipation of government's response. Jamaicans are used to tighter restrictions whenever there's a spike, but it appears the opposite will happen. On the issue of lockdowns,
I have been very clear in Parliament, very clear, absolutely gone overboard to say we are not going back to lockdown. So be calm.
The Prime Minister not going into further detail about what's to come, except stressing the need for Jamaicans to get vaccinated.
It is now in your hands. Go and take the vaccine. That is the strategy. We can't hold it down and put the needle in your hand. If you get sick, you will take that responsibility. There is an option. We have vaccines all over the place. We have sites all over the place. I don't hear one person complain that they can't get the vaccine anywhere. Go and get vaccinated. Argument done.
Already, some private sector companies have been imposing vaccine mandates. Grace Kennedy, the latest to join the growing list. Questions also abound over whether Jamaica will join other countries by imposing restrictions on unvaccinated citizens. Last week, French MPs approved a bill for a COVID-19 pass, which, if approved in the Senate, will mean people 12 years and older have to show proof of being fully vaccinated in order to participate in certain activities, use public transportation, and to enter places like bars and restaurants. A negative COVID-19 test will no longer be required. Janela Precious, TVJ News.